Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Comet browser on your desktop. This browser is specifically designed to work seamlessly with Perplexity AI, giving you a more integrated experience for your research and browsing needs. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into your account, as this is necessary to access the app's installation feature we'll be using in just a moment. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to open up a menu with various account options. From this menu, select Install Apps. This section is where Perplexity offers different tools and applications that enhance your overall experience with their platform. Once you're in the Install Apps section, you'll see a list of available applications. Navigate through this list until you find Comet Browser. Right beside the Comet browser name, you'll notice platform options for different operating systems. Since we're installing on a desktop, look for the Windows option and click Download next to it. This initiates the download process for the Comet browser installer. Now you'll need to wait a few seconds while the file downloads to your computer. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection speed, so just be patient while the browser completes this process. You can usually see the download progress in your browser's status bar or notification area. Once the download is complete, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser window where you'll find the download section. This is typically represented by a download icon or arrow. Click on it to view your recent downloads. You should see the Comet browser installer file there. Click Open to launch the installer. The installation wizard will now appear on your screen. Look for a button that says Start Install and click on it. This begins the actual installation process on your computer. Again, you'll need to wait a few seconds while the installer sets up Comet browser on your system. The installer will handle all the necessary files and configurations automatically. After the installation completes successfully, you'll see a button labeled Launch Comet. Click this button to open Comet browser for the first time, and that's it. You now have Comet browser installed and ready to use on your desktop, giving you enhanced browsing capabilities integrated with Perplexity AI's powerful features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.